If you're trading stocks and options, I know what you're thinking this morning. Geez, should I cover my Tesla short? What if it does go all the way to 420 bucks? Well, here's a few reasons why I am buying more put options on Tesla this morning. Last time, actually, the stock was trading about 360. I opened some short positions while everybody was buying, and within 3 days, Tesla was down to 300 bucks. I think we're in a similar situation here. Why would I say so when everybody yesterday, look at this, from 340 to 387, literally within just a few hours, all the shorts looks like they were running for cover. Well, in my view, this is a great opportunity to short the stock. The fact that Elon Musk presented taking the firm private idea in the way that he did, actually, to me, speaks as a weakness. He didn't specify who's financing the deal. He didn't give any details. So to me, it's just talk. It's a bluff. I would compare this to playing poker. Clearly, to me, Elon Musk does not have the best hand of cards. So he is bluffing. And to me, it is a sign of desperation. The way that he presented the idea was not from the point of strength, but from the point of weakness. And interestingly, he has picked the time to do so when the stock just recently has gone up from 290 all the way to 340, 350 range. And that's when he decides to tweak. Now, clearly, in my view, nobody would be in the right state of mind to do the financing at $420 a share. Nobody would be in the right state of mind to do a deal at 200, much less at 420 bucks on Tesla. So, as crazy as things looked like yesterday, the stock was shooting to the moon. I think this is yet another great opportunity to short the stock right here at these levels. Now look, in the last 5 days, the stock went from 290 all the way to 387. That's a $100 move in 5 days. Look, this is another, loss of momentum type situation. Right now, the stock is all hyped up. All you got to do is buy put options going out maybe 2 or 3 weeks, and with a high probability, the stock is going to drop. That's my personal opinion. Maybe pull back all the way back here to 340, maybe even back to the 300, 320 range. As this news unveils, I think a lot of people are going to realize that, hold on, you don't take a company private unless you clearly see some major issues on the horizon. And I believe the fact that he's picking the time and to start talking about it while the stock recently shot up from 290 to 340, 350, I think he's picking the timing to avoid some significant issues later down the line. So he knows what the issues are, okay? And so in his view, it makes perfect sense to do it now while the stock is at a higher price. Now, I don't think he's going to be able to pull this deal off. So, and to me, when I look at the risk-reward probability, okay, so yesterday we're at 387, and the stock is pulling back. Pre-market today at 375. To me, the probability that the stock is going to pull back to the 340 or 300 level is much greater than the stock actually hitting an all-time high at 400 or 420. So, I'm going to go with what appears to me to be a better probability. And again, when the stock goes up 25-30% in a very short amount of time, the fact that it's going to keep moving in the same direction is not very likely. So to me, it's an opportunity to buy puts. So at the market open, the market's going to open here in the next 2 or 3 hours. I think it's 6:55 in the morning right now. So I would be shorting. I would be buying puts. I would be buying this week puts, next week's puts, 3 weeks out puts, because
CBS, Charlie Victor, Sam.
I think the question to ask here, I think it's really that bad that he is throwing this last desperate move before things can spiral completely out of control. The stock is about to drop. Like it or hate it, it's going to be a fun show to watch, that's for sure. So thanks, Elon Musk, for keeping things entertaining and giving us plenty of opportunities to short your stock again, and again. I'll catch you guys in the next video.